What's going on YouTube? And today we have a special treat for y'all, slash an update for both my 350Z and Nick's G35. If you're new to the channel, make sure you get a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more content. You'll love my channel, trust me, it's good, it's real good out here. But let's go ahead and discuss what we're doing today and what has happened in a couple of weeks that I've been out. You're probably wondering, why are we in the engine bay and why is there a couple of Ziploc bags here? We're about to go ahead and tell you. Pretty much the famous VQ issue with all VQs, including my own. This car ran out of oil as usual, and these useless Nissan dipsticks that tell you that there's oil did not provide enough information for us, and now his engine seized due to low compression on oil. So we've been working on putting a new engine in, and right now we're just taking apart all the exterior stuff that we're going to put on the new engine, and we're starting with the Plenum, or is it Plenum or Plenum? The Plenum. So we're taking those off in accordance. We have the Ziploc bags here to organize the tools and numbers, because some of them are different sizes and bolts even though they look the same, and they are very important to have them in the right area. Otherwise you'll have a leakage more than likely, and you will have bad throttle response. So we're taking this apart, putting them in Ziploc bags, and our goal, maybe not today, but our goal is to take off both the plenum, well, for the whole engine wise, take off the plenum, take off the valve, replace the valve gasket, some other seals. What other seals are we changing?
We're just changing the valve cover gaskets.
The valve cover gasket and plenum gasket. Upper plenum gasket. So those are the things that we're going to be doing before we put on the new engine. We already have the new engine. It is at Oscar's shop. The car is at his place right now, and we're just taking these things apart to get it ready to be put on and swapped onto the new motor. And then you guys will be seeing a motor swap very soon. Our goal is to get this done in 10 days so we can ride in style. And there's also a great update for that Z over there that I'll show you in a couple seconds. Okay, back to what I was saying again. That was a Tomei Extreme titanium catback exhaust. Is it a Tomei, dog? Yes, it is a Tomei, and I said it completely wrong. But I'm trying to hurry up and rush so we can get it. Go ahead and take off this plenum. It's lifted off. We just gotta remove one more clamp, and it should come off free. And then we'll be going from there to the valve. So I'm gonna go get a time lapse with my handy dandy little tool here. You guys are gonna watch me and Nick take this apart. See you guys in a sec. Okay, the camera SD card apparently got full, but we are about to go to Walmart so we can go buy some more brake cleaner. Plenum's off. You guys didn't get to see that because it stopped in between what we're doing. So we closed the hood so no one, can check out our stuff. And I'm gonna go to Walmart in this car. So yeah, Hope you guys enjoy the ride if I'm recording, and I'll see you guys in a bit when we get to Walmart. Alright, we're in Walmart right now, and we're about to go find some brake cleaner so we can go ahead and clean out the rest of this plenum. We got a lot of it out, but we started to do the bottom one. We're gonna use brake cleaner to clean the valve, right? No? Yes? The valve cover, that's it. And I'm gonna keep those off because it's gonna go on a new engine. And that's probably where we're gonna stop today, right? Yeah, that's pretty much where we're gonna stop today. And try to put it on the new one possibly today. It should be a lot easier putting it on the new one since we're not really
out of the car.
Yeah, it's gonna be outside of the car. So right now we're looking at that. I think, is this RTB? Do they have RTB? They got gasket maker. They have adhesive dealer. I don't know about that. That's blue RTB. Which one do you need? That's red RTB. Which one is the one they use in the thing? But we'll get back to you guys and tell you what we're about to get. Alright, so we pretty much got red RTB and some more brake cleaner. I don't know why this doofus right here got some freaking microfibers. This thing is not autofocusing, but yeah, we got what we need. Alright, just got back. Got our brake cleaner, we have some RTB, and we are currently taking these apart. Now the pattern that you guys want to go, let me change the camera view. The pattern I believe you're supposed to go is the middle one first, then these, then this one next, and then that one there. Don't quote me on this yet, and then to the top and right there. You don't want to take them off the incorrect way because you have incorrect torque. You might end up breaking one of the bolts, and you don't want to do that, do you? Next, we'll take this off. We'll brake clean that, just like we did this. Looked the same at first, and now this one's a lot cleaner. So that's what we'll do after. And then we're gonna go ahead and hit the valve cover, and there goes a fly. So yeah, we're getting somewhere. We're doing stuff. Promise me, we've never done this before, so yeah. Hopefully everything turns out right, right? Hey man, looking stressed.
Hey. Justin, is that a camera?
Yeah.
What?
YouTube? Yeah. He's not no YouTuber. I am.
Are you getting paid?
Boy, we in there. Most metal parts. Don't touch that gasket. I know, I'm not. Alright guys, I'm not trying to take this thing off the tripod. We're going to take the plenum off, and we're getting closer and closer to our end goal. It's been about 3 hours on this, plus the ride to Walmart. Nick's over here spraying down the bottom plenum. Trying to get it right, trying to get it clean. And next we'll be going to valve covers and removing that on the currently non-running G35. Don't worry, it'll be back up, guys. Don't worry about it. So, yeah. As you'll see in a second, masterpiece. And there's ants all over my camera, so if I shake it, run off, something, you guys know. We already took out like 3 motors. Do it. But guys, it started raining, so we had to close this down since we have open where oil can come out, where everything can come out. We don't want to make this engine any worse than what it already is, so we stopped. And if it does stop raining, then we'll continue. But if it doesn't, then we're just gonna have to close out for today. There'll definitely, oh, there's rain getting all over my lens. So there's definitely gonna be more to come. And if this is where I'm ending the video. I might as well tell you guys, I hope you guys liked and enjoyed what you guys watched. If you want to see more content, make sure you subscribe. That helps me out, that helps you out. Make sure you like the video because that helps me out and you out at the same time. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this out. Thanks for watching and peace.
This is a happy end, 'cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end.